Happily Veg, where we share simple, delicious and nutritious vegetarian recipes. My name is Shraddha. Today we are going to prepare a combo of two very nutritious ingredients. Those ingredients are Dal and Palak. Dal Palak is a recipe which I have taken from my mom's kitchen. I love it and I hope you would love it too. Friends, now let me tell you why Dal Palak is such a nutritious recipe. First of all, spinach or palak is a rich source of dietary fiber as well as nutrients like calcium, iron, magnesium, proteins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K and vitamin E to name a few. And Tur Dal or Arhar Dal is a very good source of dietary fiber, manganese and folate as well as a good source of protein and copper. Now let us take a look at the ingredients that we need for Dal Palak. We would need 1.5 cup of cooked Arhar Dal or Tur Dal. You can also make use of Moong Dal or Chana Dal. 8 to 10 leaves of spinach which are chopped. 1.5 cup of water. 15 to 20 whole peanuts. 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I have used sunflower oil, but you can use the oil of your choice. You can also make use of ghee, which will give Dal Palak a rich taste. Here I have taken a mixture of crushed garlic and dry coconut. I have used 2 garlic cloves and 7 to 8 slices of dry coconut. 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Here I would like to add that I have used a little bit of turmeric while cooking the dal, which gives it a nice yellow color, but this is optional. We would also need a medium-sized cube of jaggery and 3 to 4 kokum pieces. Here we are taking just a pinch of asafoetida or hing and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You can use salt as per your taste. First we would need to heat oil. We'll be heating it on a low flame. Once the oil is hot enough, we would add mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them splutter. Once mustard and cumin seeds start spluttering, we would add the garlic and the coconut. And saute it for a few seconds. Once you see the color of the garlic and coconut starts changing, we will add the other spices. And saute just for a few seconds. Next, we will add spinach and the peanuts and saute for 5 to 10 seconds. Then we will add the dal and water. We need to mix it well. Now we will add the salt. And now we can put the flame on medium. Once the mixture starts boiling, we need to cook this for 5 minutes. Don't put the lid as the spinach will lose its green color. You can add more water to this if you want to adjust the consistency of Dal Palak. After 5 minutes of cooking, now we are going to add kokum and jaggery and let it cook for around 2 to 3 more minutes. Now as you can see, the consistency of Dal Palak is just right. And we are now going to put off the flame. Our yummy Dal Palak is ready to be served. You can serve it with white rice, brown rice or rotis. Add a spoonful of ghee to this and it will taste delicious. Friends, if you loved this video, do like it and also share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel Happily Veg for more such videos. Till then, stay happy, stay veg.